Hi, today we'll be changing out the factory turn signals on my 2013 Jeep Rubicon, and we're going to be swapping them out with some LED lights that I got from Lightweight. They have smoked lenses. Looks like it's just a simple drop in and you're good to go. Let's get started. All good installs. Let's start by taking out these fasteners. I forgot to show how to take these fasteners out. You can see right here there's a little tab that a little screwdriver can fit in. And just pull that up like that, and it just pulls right out. And you pull your grill, it kind of just pops in there. Like that. And there you go. Now you have access to your lights. I think the easiest way for us to do this, is going to be just take the lights off. So you just grab it, twist it, pull the bulb out. Twist it, pull the bulb out, and now the whole grill comes with you. Okay, so all we have to do now is pull the old light out. So there's these two tabs right here that have little detents on the front of them. So you press one down, just be careful not to break them. And just take this other one, press it down. It just slides right off the bottom. There you go, that's one. And then to put the other one in, let's see if I can show this to you here in a second. Get them both out. See if you can see it. At the bottom there's an L on this one, saying it's the left. And this one has an R, meaning it's the right. And the one that you pull out also has writing on it. If you can see right there, RH, right hand. So grab the one with the R, slide it under into position. That's it. Now the other side. Push it down. Just push it a little bit. And it falls right out. And then we take the one that has the L on it. Pull the plastic off. Underneath. Put it into position. Bob's your uncle. That's ready to go. So let me show you how the wiring goes on here now. So for the Jeep wiring, you undo the little red tab, pull that back all the way, squeeze here, just pull that out, and this is going to slide right onto the connector for the light that we just installed into the grill. Let's go get the grill. So I have the grill in place with the light right here, and you can see that connection is just going to slide right on there, click into place, and then lock back down. That's it. Let's do the other side. So we grab this one, same thing. This one's facing down though, so we'll grab it, slide it on there. You can also take it off and make it a little bit easier to put on. Slide it on, lock it down, just throw this back on there. And then that's it. So don't forget when you're putting your grill back together to line up that center hole right here. That way you can put your little snap pins in. that looks nice already. Put our pins in the top. Okay, so now we'll install our pins back in. Push them in. Push them in. And last but not least, all right, so there they are. I think that looks good. All right, so let's see what they look like working. All right, I like them. So that is the lightweight turn signal indicators. I got them off of Amazon. They're really inexpensive. I think it was around $40. Well worth it. A couple minutes and it's done. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. Alright, so today we're going to be changing out the factory turns indicators. Alright, so today we're going to be changing out the factory turn, what the hell do you call them? Turn lights, turn signals? Turn signals.